In this question, let's consider the graphs of y equals f of x and y equals g of x shown. Here I have a parabola graph and a line graph. Parabola upward, it's f of x and the line is g of x. Part A asks find f of 4. To find f of 4, that means I have to go in the right side on the horizontal line for 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to see what's my y, where x equals 4, we'll cut the graph. So I will come up vertically and see here it would be cut the graph, so y would be 2. So I write f of 4 is 2 and g of 0, that means for g, and where x is 0, x is 0 here. So I will come down to see where it would be cut. The graph G would be here. I will count the unit until here would be -3, so -4, -5, and -6. So G of 0 would be -6. And G of 5, again, in a horizontal line, I will go for 5 units in the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I go vertically to see where this point would be cut the graph of G. Be here. And then I have to see what's the y. For this point of the graph, the y would be -1. So g of 5 would be -1. I am done for part A. I will go for part B. Part B asks, find the two values of x such that f of x equals -2. For graph f, I have to see where the graph f is -2. So I will come down to -2 would be here. And again would be here. That f of x equals -2. So I find 2 points. One of them is 0 and one of them is 3. So x equals 0 and x equals 3. The f of x would be -2. So if x equals 0 and x equals 3, then f of x would be -2. For part C, it says find the value of x such that f of x and g of x are equal. That means they have an intersect. We'll look at the graph and see they have only one intersect here, which is its x is 2 and this point they have an intersect and y is -4. So x is 2 and y is 4. But the party only asks for x, so I write x equals 2. The last part D says show that gx equals x minus 6. To write an equation of any line, we see that g is a line. So I need only 2 points to write its equation. So here I get this point that located at a vertical line. So I said this point would be 0 and -6. And I have this point here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 0, located on horizontal axis. So would be 6 and 0. Now I have 2.6 and 0 and 0 and -6. For any uh, equation of a line, I need gradient. So gradient, I say, equals a y step over x steps. So y steps, I say 0 minus -6 gives me 6. And for the denominator, I write 6 minus 0 gives me 6. So the gradient is 1. I have gradient, and with one of this point, I get this point. I can write the equation. The equation says y equals says y minus -6. I get this point. Y minus -6 equals 1 gradient times x minus 0. X minus 0, which is y plus 6 equals x. So I bring 6 in the right side. That is y equals x minus 6. We know this y equals g of x, so I substitute instead of y, I write g of x equals x minus 6. So I prove that g of x equals x minus